Here we have a 2019 BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the Alpine white exterior paintwork. We do have the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kid grills and also the front splitter. This vehicle does also have the full M performance kit, so you find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do have the 18-inch wheels, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Going around to the back, you'll find we have the gloss black rear spoiler. We do also have the rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust as well. And back around to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a quick look at the interior, you'll find leather seats inside of here, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. You'll also find we do have the electric windows on the doors. As a look as well in the centre, you can see the vents. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. Both front seats are also heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Automatic lights just down here. Take a seat inside and you'll find the multifunctional steering wheel. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up. We do have the cruise control and the speedometer here on the left, along with the paddle shifters as well either side. Automatic wipers just here on this stalk. And as you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. You'll then find the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of other features on here you would have seen on the photos. If you go on to media, you'll find the radio stations. Over to the left and you'll find the other media options just here, which we can scroll through. We do also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Moving further down, you'll find the vents along with the climate control, dual zone for the front passenger and driver. We also have the heated seats either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as it should do. Cup holders underneath there, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You can press this button just here and quickly switch through all the different drive modes just like so. Putting the vehicle into reverse, you'll find the front and rear parking sensors along with a rear reversing camera. Back into park by pressing P, you'll then find the manual handbrake and finally the leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next to delivery is available. Thank you for watching.